So this is what I'm working on, a commission for a fella, and we're gonna go ahead and slap it down and see what happens. We got the fat lady's thing, don't throw rocks at glass houses, blue in the face, when pigs fly. It's an idioms painting, so we're gonna go ahead and add to it. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Painting with RAEART. And today we sat down this, and you saw a bunch of other ones I've been working on. A lot of them were custom works, and now, game over. Well guys, that's all the time we have for today. So I'll see you again next time on Painting with RAEART. Thanks for subscribing and sharing, and I'll see you again next time. See you later.